Ciao a tutti, sono Jeremiah. I'm Jeremiah and I am a proud opening act alumni, and today I'm going to show you how to create characters on the fly in improv. You and your scene partner just got a suggestion for a location. Let's say it's a hospital and your relationship is doctor and patient, and your action, what you're doing in this scene, why is this scene happening, your action is that you're just there for a simple checkup. The patient is just there for a checkup. Now, what did I just say? I said action, location, and relationship. ALR. Now, why is this important? Well, it makes things easier, it makes things clearer for you as to inform what your character is and who your character is and why your character is doing what they're doing. Now, you're probably wondering, what do I do now? Well, that leads me to the next step. Internally, you say to yourself, I have what I think could benefit this scene. And then you take a step forward and make a strong, bold, physical, or verbal choice and commit. You didn't commit? I don't know what to say. Make a strong verbal or physical choice and bring it into that character and stick with it. Don't say no to it, and your partner will yes and you because you are in this together. You can also use inspiration from your own life. Think of a time when you were in the doctor's office. How was this particular doctor you had? Was this doctor unusually walking with this doctor's shoulder? Hey there, patient. Was this doctor calm? Was this doctor nervous? Think of a time when you were a patient as well. Were you calm? Were you nervous? Or you can absolutely use your imagination, because there's no such thing as no in improv. Got that reference? You got it. You got it. You established your ALR. You made a strong, bold choice and committed to it. You're probably thinking, Jeremiah, what do I do? What do I do now? Help me! Help! Breathe. While you're in the scene, be sure to listen. Listen to your scene partner and be 100% in the moment. Not 50, 100%. Because then you allow yourself for new discoveries. You can discover little things about the scene and unpack certain things about your characters, you and your scene partner's characters that you perhaps didn't even think of. So, trust in your instincts. Keep yes-ending your partner until you come to a natural ending to your scene. And that's the video. I hope it was somewhat educational for you. If it was, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe. Be sure to hit those bell notifications, so you can know when our next video is gonna pop up. And be sure to follow our socials at Opening Act for All on Instagram. And that's it for me. Arrivederci!